picture. Yes, sir. Here the tree. I want to grow on a rock. I'm here. In this session, I want to be on high, and if I'm going to high, then my colleagues, like the other trees, will grow. And this is a source of water that our organization is supposed to grow. And if I want to learn and grow above the rocks. Thanks.
Hello everyone. It's a nice picture. We are seeing a lot of nice picture here. That give a different message. If I am wrong, it's a picture of ice and earth where it's full of snow. Means if you are somewhere where it's a winter season, that snow is fall everywhere in the hilly areas. That we have to love to there to enjoy our holiday. One more thing is, if as per my friend Mr. Rohit Bhargav says that ozone layer declaration is due to the mishandling of our consumptions, polythene and everything, and we have to take care of earth for our early ages, our next generations. In that way that you can save our earth by many of the way. It start from your everywhere you can, like if we are drinking a lot of water, put it in restored area, and that save our earth and number of things. If you want to save your earth, like number of trees is reduced very early, because we are using a lot of number of papers. Let's say we are also minimize their consumption, like this presentation may be used by the mail, not by the hard copy. It's also helpful to reduce that things. Many more things, like we are travel a lot, and that also create a air pollution. That thing is we can cover by reducing the vehicle numbers. That like we are coming from Batti and Nalagad and everywhere, and we are coming together for fun, for learn. That if there is also option that we are carrying individual vehicle, that's also increase the air pollution. If you want to your generation enjoy the nature of earth, that you have to take some hard decision to preserve it. If you want that kind of things, you have to use to something to reduce minimum uses of that things. Polythene, like every state is very strict on that. Reduce as much as it possible. But in a market, we are going to take a lot of things, or we are asked the buyer, please give a polythene. It's right? No. We have to carry our bag, and as means the numbers of items, we carrying a big bag, and told him the buyer that don't give anyone, or we also. One more thing, that if this ice is free, thank you.
Today I discussed a topic which are very relevant to each and everyone which are situated here or outside this. What is our requirement for day-to-day activity? Can anybody say? Yes, Ajay? Food. Yeah, he said it is the right way. It's a food. Food is our necessity for our life. Okay. Can anybody say what food play role in our life? Yes, Mr. Rahul. What is the importance of the food? Why is it important?
I think food and water is the basic necessity of.
I am discussing about the food.
Energy deta hai.
Yes.
Food provides energy.
There are two things in a food. First is it give us energy to what do we want to do. Then we require energy. Like if anybody wants to be a good fighter, boxer or anything else, he should have a very good body. Or for very good body, he is required one more thing, that is resistant against the disease. He is a very good. He should be strong. Okay. After that, it's nutrition. Why nutrition is required? We are using nutrition, obtaining a utilization of food by the living organism. For what? For growth and development. If we are growing good, then we obviously develop well. Like a number of diseases in younger ages, either any deficiency, the children should have good quantity of food. Hello, kids, are you here? No? Everybody take their food properly, or either eat chocolates and chowming and this thing. Everybody eat food properly. Your father is there. I think a few of them is left their food. So if you want something, everybody aim and all the things. First you have to good body, good immune system. Then you can do what you want. After that, nutrients. What kind of nutrients is there? Can anybody say? What?
All the vitamins.
Yes, one thing is vitamin, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, etc. That's a measure. If I dividing this thing in 3 parts, yes. Can anybody say what is the 3 parts of the food? Why we require food? In a 3 things. Yes, Mr. Rohit.
I cannot
Amit,
understand the question.
If I categorize the food in 3 parts, why? In a different things. They each and every quantity play an own role.
For energy, for good health.
Yes. First of all, energy giving food. The food which give us energy to do what we want. Okay. Second thing is body building. We want a good body, good structure. That we have to the food which give us good body structure. Protective, immune from the disease. Okay. In terms of energy giving food, I divide it into 2 parts. First is the carbohydrate and second is the fat. Both, in example, what is the carbohydrate? Anybody says it? Which content having highest part of carbohydrate and we are taking a lot?
Potato.
Yes. Potato is a good source of carbohydrate. And second thing is fat. In fat of times it's ghee, milk and all things. I want to share one thing.
Questions. How a person knows that that much food is required for his body for complete, nutrient values?
Yes, as per their physical activity. If one person wants to be a good player and a good stamina, he should take that things that will support their day-to-day activity. Yeah. One person wants to, their memories must be good, then they should be take their food which increase their memory.
Actually, my question same is Rohit sir that
Yeah.
in our house there are no dietitian. That means there is no diet chart. In that case, how can I take the different components that which you are discussing over there?
Balancing of a
On the-
diet.
Balancing of diet.
Balancing is that is each and everything is available on the sites, in books. In simple word, we are taking milk, we are taking fruits, we are taking leafy flowers, leafy vegetables. Each and everything is a whole to what we require.
Thank you.
Thank you.